Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Here we are with another great product that I've found that we can use for an iPad Pro version 2018, 19 and 20. I was looking for something for a while because obviously on the iPads you only have the USB-Cs and we need some kind of accessories to use it so we can connect SD cards or USB sticks and etc like that. So this is what I found and I believe that it's a great thing. This video is all about opening the box and actually reviewing it on the iPad to see how it all works. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Any more information, it will be down at the bottom of the actual video, or shall I say under the video, and you can see where I've purchased it and have some more information technical regarding this product. So here we are, let's go ahead and let's just open it. It's in a normal box, nothing much fancy like any other product. Here at the back you can see some information regarding it and etc like that. So and it's from a company called Baseus, if I pronounce that okay. It is a 6-in-1 USB type hub, and there you are. So let's just open it now. So here we are. It's just a box that slides down. Here we have this little cardboard lid that you can just lift up, hopefully. Yeah. And in the back you will get some instruction. I believe this is an instruction manual. Tells you what's what on it, and this is a warranty card, and you have a little few stickers. So if you're interested, you can always read that. So here we are. Let's just take this out if you can. So let's just lift that slowly. It's in a molded type plastic. Shall I say, I don't know, a molded type plastic box, yeah, paper box from the outside, and this is molded according to the shape of this. So I hope I explained that okay to you. Here we are. This is what it's all about. It's all about this USB 6-in-1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6-in-1 USB type hub. Yeah, you've got, we'll take this little cap off. It has a protection so you don't damage it. This is how it is. I mean, this is what it looks like. This here, it's nice and soft. It's like rubber, but like hard rubber. Then you have this little slot where you can put the actual iPad that you got. You've got these little holes here for the speakers. You have here, if you don't know, this is a blue color in there. You have blue and black, maybe white sometimes, but the blue one gives you indication that is a USB 3 type. Yeah, so then we got the actual 4K HDMI connection here, and we have the SD slot here. We have the MMC slot, which is a slightly smaller flash card, USB-C. And you have the actual 3.5mm jack for your headphones or etc like that. So yeah, it's in grey color, shall I say. I haven't seen another color, but it's pretty nice, hopefully, on the actual iPad that we're going to put on. So okay, let's see what this is going to be like on the iPad. Okay, so here we are with the laptop that I have. This is a iPad Pro 2020. We will try now and connect the actual accessory that we bought, the hub, the 6-in-1 hub, the multifunctional one, shall I say. Okay, here we go. So you always turn it horizontal, shall I say, and you have on your right hand side the actual hub here. So we just slide that in here, as you can see. You just slide it in there nicely. It's really nice. It's a little bit hard to go in, but it's strong. It's not going to pop out or anything like that. And obviously at the bottom you will have to connect that like this here. Clicks, and here yeah, they are. The actual iPad has recognized this unit for it to work. So let's just turn it the other way around. There you are. You can see the actual connections and how it looks like. It's all right, nice and neat. The cable's not too long. It's reachable in the USB-C on the iPad, and so that's a good thing as well. So here we are. We have let's just test it out with the SD card. So I have my SD card. This is the type that I have. I think it goes like this. To see, yep, let's just go, yep, goes in fine. So how to access this card is that you have a little icon down at the bottom. I think it's pretty much standard when you switch on and when you set up your iPad and etc. like that. You have down at the bottom a little folder, yeah, folder of files. You have this on your iPhones as well. So you touch that, and on the left hand side you have already the actual card, SDHD card. Just tap on it, you'll have all the information there you want. If to find that out that's been disconnected, how to disconnect, you just pull it out. That's all you do. You don't need to eject it like you do in like Windows or anything like, or in Windows operating systems. But because this is an Apple one, it doesn't matter. It's not going to affect anything. You pull it out, it disappeared. Let's just try with my this is a dual USB. I have the C type and I have the USB 3 here. So we're going to try the USB 3. Let's just get out of that. The USB 3 here identifies it as a USB 3. So we just plug that in there. There you are. We'll just go back into that little folder, and here you have my USB. I named it as spare 01, and there you are. So just to unplug it again, just pull it out and that will disappear. So I can only say that it's pretty good. You can use this for people who have businesses, or for photographic, for photos and etc. Many things, many things. If you've got a keyboard as well, if you've got a stand, unfortunately I don't. You can use that, and it'll be much more easier to operate the actual iPad and etc. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thumbs up if you like it. Comments please, I would appreciate that, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more unusual uploads. Thank you for watching.